I am Paula Diez. I am Head of Innovation Services at Telefonica Open Innovation. And for me, Alaian is about the power of collaboration. At the end, we are different telcos. We have similar challenges. We all want to build better solutions for our customers, to have better value proposition for our startups. Well, Telefonica can give access to our network of customers, over 350 million customers. We also give access to technology and 5G labs. We give access to the different initiatives that we have from open innovation area. I think that we are all now looking for 5G use cases, and especially I would say metaverse and Web3.
Alaian. Disruptive telcos for disruptive startups.